Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that a man entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have got perished. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, What perished you? He submitted, I have copulated with my wife while fasting. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Can you manumit a slave? He submitted, No. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Can you feed 60 destitute people? He submitted, No. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says he then sat down. Meanwhile, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was brought a basket full of dates. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him, Give it as alms. He submitted, Is there anyone poorer than I? In between the two edges of Medina Munawwara, there is no family poorer than we. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam laughed, even exposing his molars. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Go and give it to your family to eat. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2590.